Hi, this is the Pidgin English coach MK Uswa. You're welcome to another video, another exciting video. So how you doing? How body? How work today now? What in your job? How your family? How body? What did that happen that side? Hmm? So what's going on? Well, today we're going to talk about a phrase that's popularly used in Nigeria. It is no pure. No pure. That means something is not good, or you're not happy about something. For example, somebody came to your house and took your phone, maybe cell phone, or maybe took your clothes without your permission, and you call the person and said, that thing where you do is no pure, you know pure at all, you know pure. What you did is not is not right, it's not correct. So if someone does anything bad or something you don't like, you can just say that thing where you do no pure, you know pure. I don't like that thing where you do, you know pure. All right, you know pure. What it actually means is that it's not clean, it's not right, but it means what you're doing, I don't like it, it's not cool, it's not cool at all. Don't do that, right? You know pure. All right, so that's that for today. Make sure you subscribe for more videos. Make sure you check the description box. There are links there to my email list. I can send you emails about Pidgin English tips. Also give you some useful advice on any other stuff related to Pidgin English. Then you can also get my audio course on the link below. Full complete audio course. In fact, it's the only audio course for Pidgin English in the world, right? That's true. And then you can also contact me for any other information. And then if you want me to write Pidgin English or anything you want me to transcribe for you, just contact me. You understand? Eh? Do like that, eh? No wahala. Maybe see you another time, eh? Take care. Bye bye.